All right, so here is how your interactive notebook should be set up. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cover page. Remember that page is not numbered, okay? You need to have name somewhere on here, your class period, and also my contact information. And then we begin our reference section. So this starts page 1, okay, our goals and objectives. And then over here on the right is page 2. That's our directions for the notebook. On page 3 on the left, you have your interaction chart. And on page 4, you have your historical reading skills chart on the right. On page 5 on the left, you have your U.S. president list. And on the right, on page 6, you have your map of the United States. All right, so that is the reference section. Now we get into Unit 1. And I am posting a still picture of this table of contents here on Schoology in a minute. So page 7 on the left, this is your Unit 1 table of contents. And on the right, your cover sheet. And remember, the copy that you have is just a strip of paper, okay? And that is page 8. Page 9 on the left is your chart, and you should have answered those questions in class. If you didn't, please take care of that. And on the right are those maps. Remember, these maps are double-sided, so you want to staple on the side so that you can see both sides, and that is page 10. On page 11 on the left, okay, at the top of that paper you should have answered this question, and at the bottom created your advertisement. And on the right, page 12, your questions that we answered in class about the Dawes and Homestead Act. Page 13 on the left, triangle D, that means you are summarizing. And what you are summarizing is right here on the right page. On page 14, your reconstruction guided notes. Page 15, okay, triangle D, again, you are summarizing, okay? If you forget what any of these symbols mean, look on page 5 of your, page 4 of your interactive notebook. And on page 16, you have your Tennessee history notes, okay? If you didn't have all these answers, remember these are in Schoology. Page 17 will remain blank. Page 18 is where you will put your graded homework for chapter 1. Page 19 will also remain blank. And on the right, on page 20, you will put your graded summative timeline once you get it back. Page 21, okay, you received this in class today. This is where you will fill out your Unit 2 table of contents, okay? You already have your first 2 assignments. And then your title cover sheet for Unit 2. Remember, change your copy to say Gilded Age. And on page 23, again, triangle D, you are summarizing. And 24, here are the notes that we started in class today. Don't attach these to your notebook yet because we're not finished. And then on page 25, again, you will summarize here. And then you were all given the completed guided notes over here, page 26. Okay, so you'll need to summarize these notes over here before your first quiz. And that's going to be probably on the 31st. If you need help with the notebook, I'm available Thursday PLTs, okay?